What you're about to see was never supposed to make headlines. No teaser tweets, no flashy press releases, just a mysterious, black-cloaked Tesla prototype captured silently rolling outside Fremont. And while the EV world speculates wildly, we've connected the dots and we believe this is no ordinary test vehicle. This is Elon Musk's secret weapon. This is the 2025 Tesla Model 2, not just another Tesla, not a stripped-down Model Y, but something radically new, a vehicle that could undercut the competition in price, design, and redefine what an affordable EV truly is. Remember when Musk cryptically promised that new models would arrive by year's end? This may be the first glimpse of that future. And in this video, we're breaking it all down, from size and structure to lighting, glass, and even the wheels, because every inch of this car reveals Tesla's plan to make EVs mainstream. Hey, we're closing in fast on 103,759 subscribers here on Road Zone Reviews. So hit that subscribe button and help us stay ahead of the EV game. Asterisk compact design. Maximum impact at just 4.3 meters in length. This prototype might look modest, but its size is no accident. It's designed to dominate in urban environments, tight streets, tight parking, and even tighter efficiency. Let's put that into perspective. A Volkswagen Golf measures 4.28 meters. A Toyota Corolla hatchback, 4.37. The Nissan Leaf is a bulky 4.49 meters. Tesla's Model 2 slips in perfectly between these, not just smaller but smarter. This compact length enables a 10.5-meter turning radius, a full 28% tighter than the Model 3. That means weaving through traffic, squeezing into parking spots, and maneuvering in city centers just got a lot easier. But don't let the size fool you. Tesla's hatchback layout allows for full-size adults and over 300 liters of cargo space. That's clever engineering, not compromise. And here's the kicker. Shrinking the chassis by this margin, based on Tesla's own Model 3 data, slashes material costs by around 15%. Without hurting structural strength. That opens the door for something industry-shaking, a sub-$28,000 Tesla. Smaller, smarter, and priced to flip the EV market on its head. What's under the camouflage? Now let's talk about the disguise. This prototype isn't just covered, it's carefully concealed. Instead of the usual tape or decals, Tesla has gone with soft fabric wraps that completely obscure the front and rear. Why? Because they're hiding something big under that fabric. Insiders believe Tesla is testing a new LED lighting design, possibly a thin, horizontal bars stretching across the front and back, just like the sun. We're talking about a 1.8-meter front light bar, wider than anything we've seen on a Tesla sedan. And it's not just for show. These lights may integrate sensors and cameras directly into the housing, reducing external components and enabling faster, fully automated assembly. This aligns perfectly with Tesla's long-term vision of human-free Giga production lines. And what about cooling? Expect a grill-free sealed front end with advanced airflow redirection. Tesla could hit a drag coefficient as low as 0.21, down from Model 3's 0.23, potentially adding 10 miles of extra range without changing the battery. Some reports even hint at embedded LiDAR or radar units, suggesting level 4 autonomy might be in testing. If true, that puts this so-called entry-level car miles ahead of the competition, even rivaling premium brands. And on the production side, sources claim the new body eliminates nearly 89% of traditional welds, cutting assembly time by 41% and reducing quality issues by 78%. Fewer colors, simplified paint choices, it's all part of the strategy to mass-produce this EV at an unprecedented scale. Luxury through the glass roof. Tesla's not just changing performance, they're changing perception. One look at the panoramic glass roof tells you this isn't just another cheap car. Spanning from pillar A to C, covering nearly 70% of the vehicle's roof, this single-pane seamless glass isn't a luxury add-on, it's standard. At only 5 millimeters thick, thermolaminated and robot-ready, it's not only lighter by 15 kilograms than a steel roof, it's cheaper to make at scale using Tesla's Giga Press automation, and the benefits massive. You get a cabin flooded with light, a feeling of vertical space, a view of the sky that transforms even a 4.3 meters chassis into something that feels twice its size. Tesla's own patents confirm UV and infrared filtering layers built directly into the glass, blocking 99.9% of harmful rays while keeping the cabin cool. Most automakers charge $1,200 plus for a sunroof. Tesla is offering a full glass ceiling for under $300 in cost. Rumors even point to ambient lighting synced to the roof, creating a 360-degree luxury glow experience. In other brands like Audi, that'll cost you another $1,000 here. It's likely just part of the package. This isn't premium for the few, it's premium for everyone. That's the real revolution. Wheels engineered for real life. Now, let's get to the base. Those wheels. Tesla's chosen 17-inch steel wheels, and while they might look basic, they're engineering brilliance in disguise. Why 17 inches? Because smaller wheels mean less unsprung weight, around 8 kilograms lighter per corner. That alone improves energy efficiency by up to 7%, giving you an extra 15 to 20 miles of range on a 250-mile battery pack. They're also more aerodynamic. The steel design paired with narrow-profile, low-resistance tires similar to those on the 2024 Model 3 reduces drag and increases ride comfort, and production costs down by $250 to $400 per vehicle. Pair that with Michelin low-rolling resistance tires designed specifically for stop-and-go traffic, and you've got an EV optimized for city life, not highway bragging rights. Tesla's estimates suggest 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and a 300-mile range. That crushes the Nissan Leaf's 149-mile range in 7.9 seconds 0 to 60, all while being quieter, cheaper, and smarter. Tesla's masterstroke. So let's recap what Tesla just dropped into the streets of Fremont: a sleek 4.3-meter EV with city-first handling, a revolutionary new light and sensor design under wraps, a full panoramic roof that screams luxury, and purpose-built 17-inch wheels for range and efficiency. This isn't a cut-down Model Y, it's the Tesla Model 2. And it's here to flip the script on EVs as we know them. All signs point to a launch that could come in under $28,000 or possibly even less, with rumors of a $15,000 variant floating for select global markets. That's a price that could crash the competition and make EV ownership accessible for millions. So are you ready for a $10,000 Tesla that feels like a $50,000 ride? Let us know in the comments. Type Model 2 if you believe this car is the future. And be sure to subscribe to Road Zone Reviews, because after today's reveal there's no turning back.